Gerry the tallest friend. Deep in the sunny, golden savanna of Africa, a very tall friend is waking up. Meet Gerry the giraffe. He has orange patches that look like a giant puzzle on his skin. Gerry lives where the grass is yellow and the sun is bright. This wide open place is called a habitat. There are no thick forests here, just big spaces to roam. Because Gerry is so tall, he doesn't live in a house or a nest. He sleeps standing up. He stays under a big acacia tree to keep cool when the sun gets hot. Gerry loves to eat. While other animals eat grass on the ground, Gerry reaches high up. His favorite snack is crunchy green leaves from the very top of the trees. To grab those leaves, Gerry has a very long purple tongue. It is tough and strong, so the prickly thorns on the branches don't even hurt him. Gerry lives with a big group of giraffe friends called a tower. They all look out for one another. If a lion comes near, the tower stays safe together. One day, a new baby was born. A baby giraffe is called a calf. When it is born, it is already taller than a grown-up human. Can you imagine that? The mummy giraffe is very brave. She protects her calf from danger. The baby stays close to her side to learn how to find the best leaves and stay safe. Did you know giraffes are like superheroes for nature? They are pollinators. When they eat from trees, they carry seeds to new places so more trees can grow. Giraffes are also the lookouts of the savanna. Because they are so tall, they see danger from far away. Other animals watch the giraffes to know when to run. Let's look at Gerry's head. He has two fuzzy bumps, called ossicones. They look like horns, but they are covered in soft fur and skin. Gerry's neck is very long, but it has the same number of bones as your neck. Both humans and giraffes have 7 neck bones, but Gerry's are just giant. Even Gerry's heart is special. It has to be very big and strong to pump blood all the way up that long, long neck to reach his brain. Have you ever heard a giraffe roar? Probably not. Giraffes are very quiet. They mostly make low sounds called hums that are too quiet for humans to hear. Gerry's spots are like fingerprints. No two giraffes have the same pattern. Every giraffe in the tower has a unique outfit that belongs only to them. When Gerry is thirsty, he has to spread his front legs wide apart to reach the water. It looks like he is doing a yoga stretch just to get a little drink. Giraffes don't need much sleep. Gerry only sleeps for about 30 minutes a day. He takes short naps while standing up so he can stay alert and safe. The life of a giraffe starts as a calf, grows into a tall adult, and then they start their own families. This is called a life cycle, and it keeps the savanna happy. What is so special about Gerry? He is the tallest land animal in the whole world. He reminds us that being different and standing tall is a wonderful thing. Now Gerry is heading back to his favorite tree for a snack. Goodbye, Gerry. Thank you for teaching us about your amazing life high up in the blue sky. If you like this story, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Kids Love Nature.